And I'm down at Belfast Harbour Marina, and I did a walk around of the marina the other day, and I happened to notice this vessel in here that is currently for sale. And this is a barge, but it's a barge with a difference because it's got a mast on it. And these kinds of barges, I am told by one or two posters who remarked upon this vessel, plied out of places like Holland and Belgium. This is a very interesting boat. See the round shape at the end there. And it's for sale, as I say, if you're interested. It's the what does it say there? 1898? Can't believe that. It's the Drie Gebroeders. Oh, I don't know. It's not a local name, and it's 45 tons. And there are similar type of barges with masts on, and they would have gone across the English Channel, and then gone up some of the rivers, or some of the canals as well, over in eastern England, and going across to Belgium and Holland and places like that. So I'll look up a wee bit of information about this vessel too. The Drie, I'll make a stab at it. Gebroeders. It looks a good looking boat.